Look at it. Whoa, oh, it's coming out. Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
Wrong direction, brother. Scorpion. Whoa, this is a big scorpion. Next to the spider. Oh, they are about to fight. Oh, oh. We finally found a male. Whoa. Did he just ask for a fruit? And the orangutan gave him one? I didn't expect to walk from our plane to the airport. Welcome to Borneo. And our plane is the only plane on the whole airport. Look at this. This is the airport. The adventure begins. Yeah, man. Dennis packed his backpack into his backpack.
Because I'm a motherfucker.
That's not fun, guys. This is the part where it's very hard. It's like... Hello, Veronica.
Hey, Timur.
I went out with the back. Okay.
Whoa! I think we got to our destination, guys. Look at our way. Look at this, guys. But it's working.
We just arrived on our boat, and as you can see, it's pretty comfortable.
And I think we'll enjoy our next 3 nights here. So basically what we booked is 3 nights, 4 days Borneo jungle tour in Tanjung Puting National Park. It's a private tour. We have a private guide. We sleep outside. We got some rice, fish, more fish, watermelon, vegetables and drinks. We don't have to worry about anything. We can just enjoy. So our guide just explained that there was an incident a few days ago where a fisherman went fishing with his son. Yeah, basically they got attacked by a crocodile and the crocodile ate his son. They called the police to shoot the crocodile because when a crocodile eats a human, it will repeat the process and eat one again.
Better not swim in the river. Okay guys, so we just arrived at our first checkpoint. The plan is now to do a small trekking tour to see some orangutans.
Look at Dennis.
Oh, OTD, man.
Are we going on a safari, Dennis?
Safari time, amigo.
What does this mean?
This is like a forest fire,
Ah,
and now it's
safe.
We got to the feeding platform.
As you can see, we found 2 of them. They are eating durians and bananas. It's like their most favorite food. But like they can't find their food in the nature. But because they were held captive, this is like an additional supplementation. We're so lucky.
We got our dinner, some tofu, rice, chicken, noodle, and this is corn with spinach. Water spinach. Yes. And guys, look. Flies. The reality of the jungle. There are flies everywhere in our food. You can do nothing about it. But we have a shelter for the night. Look at this. Look at this one. And look at the spider. So many flies. Ants. Mosquitoes. Everything. This is hell. You cannot use it at night. Breakfast is ready. And we are going to Camp Liki. We're at Camp Liki, getting ready for the hike, and hopefully we'll see some nice things. We're back at the boat because you needed permission from the ranger to hike through the orangutan forest, but there was no ranger. They were on expedition, and now we are looking for an alternative plan.
Safari time, amigo.
Never try, never know, brother.